In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shared calendar in Outlook. We'll walk through creating a calendar in Outlook on the web and sharing it with the right people so your team stays organized without endless back and forth messages. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlookoffice.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Once you're in Outlook, switch to the calendar view. If you're currently in Mail, look for the calendar icon along the left side or bottom of the screen. This tutorial uses Outlook on the web, so your screen may look slightly different from the desktop app. Now let's create the calendar you want to share. In the left panel, find the section where your calendars are listed. Click Add Calendar, then choose Create Blank Calendar. Give your calendar a clear, descriptive name. Something like Team Events or Project Timeline works well, and select Save. That creates a new empty calendar. You should now see it under your calendars list. If you don't immediately see it, expand the calendar panel or scroll. Sometimes it's tucked into a group like My Calendars. With the calendar created, it's time to share it. In the left panel, right-click the calendar you just made. Choose Sharing and Permissions. In the Sharing window, enter the email addresses of the people or groups who need access. You can add multiple addresses if necessary. Next, choose the permission level for each person. Common choices include viewing only when you're busy, viewing all details, or allowing edits. Pick the level that matches how you want them to use the calendar. If you need collaborators to add or change events, select an edit option. For visibility without changes, select a view only option. When you're satisfied, click Share. The recipients will receive an email invitation. They may need to accept or add the calendar to see it in their own list. If someone says they can't view it, ask them to check their inbox and their other or junk folder, just in case. Also be aware that some organizations restrict sharing outside the company. If you're sharing with someone external and it doesn't work, your admin may need to adjust sharing policies. If you ever need to change permissions or stop sharing, go back to sharing and permissions for that calendar and adjust or remove people. That's it.